wanted to spend a little time showing some of my hand drills collection. This is a real simple one, just press back and forth. Gets a hole drilled. I think there are various bits. This is one that takes something that looks like a violin bow and wrapped around here, and then you push back and forth like the fire starter and makes this go around and drills the hole. I don't have the bow for it yet. Here we have a little attachment for one of the drills. Haven't figured out what all this goes to yet. All kinds of little bits down in there. Picked up that up real cheap somewhere. Here we have a handle for a little multi-tool screwdriver type thing. Here's a different one. As you tighten that down, this closes on the Here's another one. And this one has the bits go right into it. There are a few that came with it. A few more bits I picked up somewhere around. Here's another one. Vintage driver. Comes apart, separate pieces. Couple of Phillips. It's more like something for gun working almost. Little drill bits. This was a little metal tube. Put a wood plug in one end of it, and this is a cap I had that happened to fit it for the other. Another tube I started making into putting a piece of dowel in one end. Another little screwdriver thingy. This is a Goodell Pratt Toolsmith's tool handle. And this one is a J.S. Frey and Company tool handle. I don't have all the bits with it though. This one was on eBay and came with all kinds of bits, which would be pretty cool. This bag I picked up at a flea market. Has some various bits. You have a Phillips, flatheads of various sizes. They all have this indentation at the bottom, which fits one of these, I thought. Maybe that's some things I didn't get a and these are hollow point drill bits for a Yankee style driver. So here you see my bit collection, or not my bit collection, my brace collection. Got a nice heavy duty chest brace, a handheld one, and I got 4 different size braces, everything from little teeny tiny one for very small jobs, I'm interested in the one on my wish list for 2021 is the Garrett brace that has the 1/2 inch socket adapter, so you could actually run sockets on it. And a long time ago I had a socket set that came with a brace like tool for driving sockets. Now Garrett, whatever the rest of their name is, I'll include that in the video, has a socket adapter, a 1/2 inch driver on the end, so it's like a acts as a ratchet. So that's on my wish list for the coming year. Up here you have some augers for bigger holes. This was my grandfather's Irwin bit set. You can see I haven't used it for a while because of all the cobwebs. Nice metallic metal holders in there. Looks like the bits might be in upside down. That or the back is. One or the other. Wish I had the rest of that piece. This was a little container I made of a couple drawer inserts that I ran across at a yard sale. Each of the two drawers came with dividers, and these are bits that I've collected over the years. Even got some adjustable ones. Some are old, some are new. Couple small hinges. And down here I have bigger bits. I have a couple of augers, and I've got